with cooler runs to hotter runs. LC200 with intercooler Heatsoak, ECU starting to pull the fuel out. Have a look at it go. So those cooler runs are sort of the blue and the red, starting off up the top area here. And as we start to get more and more runs in, even with the dyno fan going, intercooler Heatsoak soon start to say to the ECU, let's start pulling fuel out. And it's in the vicinity, as we usually find, about 10 kilowatts or so. So anybody telling me that there's no intercooler Heatsoak and that they're an online YouTuber saying, yep, doesn't exist, and I'll show you why. Well, here's the results. And we've been doing this since the day the 200 series came out. And we've, of course, had lots and lots of vehicles that we've made intercooler fan systems for. And I notice everybody else is doing the same nowadays to prevent this sort of power loss with Heatsoak on the intercooler. So there we go. Warmer runs as we get to the last runs. It's getting less and less. It probably won't drop any worse than that. So intercooler Heatsoak in the LC200s and the LC70s clearly covered again. You can see more of these videos on our Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or look us up at berrimadiesel.com, where you can get some real diesel info about looking after your diesel.